myself a Rexine V1 Basic here. This is how it came. They're pretty cheap. If you guys watch my YouTube, I do have a lot of dash cam videos. I kind of just buy these for everyone. I'm like, hey, can I have your content? People running lights, whatever you can get. And then I just give it to them, and they have a camera for when they need it, but then I also get the content. So when you guys are watching them videos, it's not always me driving. Here's the back of it. I go with Rexine because Rexine is simple to use sometimes. I do have a video on how to use these, and they're a pain in the ass at times, and then other times they're just perfect. But I've had these for over 10 years now, and they always can handle the heat. The other day it was over 100 and some degrees outside, direct sunlight, and this thing still worked. So that's good. This one's just a 1080p simple one, pretty cheap. Got it off eBay actually for like 25 bucks, I think. Super light. And it also comes with all the mounting in its low profile. They give it to you SD card slot, power button, which it powers on as soon as it has power, function and mode button, reset. Here's to go up and down with it. A screen, and you can calibrate this once you mount it in the car. 1080p, the model number, GPS, which just don't come with the GPS module. It comes with a really long cord. Wish they just built it in, but maybe it gets hot. And then that is for your rear camera. This model isn't the rear camera. And there is your power, and you can also get into this device with it. Rexine logo, a tear off. That's to tell it to record and not record. Oh, that's to go through the. All these buttons are nice. They also light up blue and red. OK button, record button, mic. Shut the screen off quicker if you want, and to go through your photos. Problem I always have with Rexine is if you're trying to access them, it doesn't like any SD card other than its own. And you normally have to, everything you have saved on there is safe, but then you have to clear it all if you want it to go to your phone, and everything that's saved will stay on there, of course. Guess I still need that. They give you 2 mounts, which is kind of nice if you're transferring it through different vehicles. Just kind of pushes in there. When you want to take it off your car, this is the car, you just pull it up and it comes right off. Comes with 2 mounts, 3M. Oh, that 3M has been messed with. Hopefully there's another one in here. A USB cord. I never used to get a USB cord. I wish it wasn't the really old mini USB, but there's a cord if you want to access it with your computer. This fits on here perfectly. There's a little lip clear around that goes on there, and then it sticks right to your window. It's really thin too. If you go to the store, it's hard to get it this thin and flat. And of course, the perfect shape and size. Here's the cord, mini USB, about 10-15 feet, and then it goes into a cigarette lighter with a red indicator light right there. I like to go hardwired, but for this setup, I'm running it through all the stuff and into the cigarette lighter back where the kids are at. I don't have kids, so they'll work good. Oh, they updated this a little bit. Now they give you this little thing. That's to peel the sticker off. Once this is on the window, if you don't want it there, it's to peel it off. That's kind of small. Definitely went cheap on that compared to what it used to be. Another pad for the second one. What we got going on here? Here's clips. These can stick to your window if you want. I kind of shove it up into the headliner to run this cord through it. I'll give you what, 2, 4, 5 of them, and then the manual. What's this? Paste the electrical film on the front windshield. Huh. I don't know what that is. I just read what's on it. Paste the bracket to this circular area. It has a circle in it too, almost like it's for like a GPS or something. I don't know what that is. Maybe we'll find out in the instructions. 18-month warranty. Again, I've had the same one for 10 years and still no problem. And it was the original one in 4Ks. Now it's hard to get the 4K ones. You can get them, but they're... No, I got mine really cheap when they first came out. Safety guide, we don't need that. Activate 18-month warranty. Take the serial number. Nice photos. Tells you what all it comes with. It doesn't show that piece of paper, and there is the original pry tool if you wanted to get it off the windshield after you had put it on there. You guys can see all this. If you want to look at it, pause my video, screenshot it. Didn't come with an SD card. It normally comes with an SD card. Was it in that first picture? Nope, doesn't show an SD card now. They're going real cheap. Now the battery on these things, I've never had them work right. Ever. It's supposed to last like 15 minutes or something. Never does. It shuts off as soon as the car shuts off. I think they're more or less a capacitor, and they don't work. Maybe this one will. My light just went out, so now I can't see. Just the basic stuff. And if you have problems, this is in a different language now, check out my other video on my Rexine. How to get it all to sync with your phone, and how to get the content off of it. Rexine likes to make you put everything through their app. I really think that's unsafe because other people can just take it, post it online, and then if you're in a wreck or something, it kind of looks like you stole someone else's video. I don't really care for that, but I like their brand and it lasts a long time. So that's it. Thanks for watching.